Mother and Son Story. Mothers love it so wonderful. Yes, this story is about an unconditional love that a mother has towards her son. A mother who lost her husband was left all alone to take care of her loving child. She had to work for her and her son's living. She had no other option as she was poor. She could not afford a healthy lifestyle. She was staying with her sister-in-law, who was unfit to work outside. Mom was feeding her son some food, and when the kid always refuses to eat, she shows him the moon and tells her kid that she will bring that moon one day to him so that he can eat all his food. Days passed by as the child was growing. The child started gaining knowledge, and whenever he used to see any men in the television, he casually shows his mother and says, "Mom, it's Dad. I saw Dad in the TV." Mom just sighs off by saying, "No, it's not your dad." Mom took very good care of her son and made him a successful businessman, where he was so rich that he could sit and eat for the next 2 generations. One fine day, the son walks down the staircase, and all his servants gossip, saying that their boss is coming. He proudly lifts his head and walks down the staircase. In the meanwhile, he had called for the best doctors to take care of his sick mother. One of the doctors informs him that his mother is very serious, and she is also not eating her food which is being served to her. The son just yells at the doctors by saying that he does not care. He asks his auntie, Mom's sister-in-law, as to why that old lady, mother, is behaving so childish and torturing everyone. His auntie slaps him and informs him, "Wake up! This is the same mother who took care of you when you could not walk. This is the same mother who fed you food even when you used to refuse to eat. If your mother had to say, 'Why is my stupid son not eating his food?' and leave you, you would not have been the man that you are today. She just needs you near her at this time. She just wants you to ask her if she ate her breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That's all she wants. Then see, she will get up, and she will be fine. All she needs is just 2 minutes of your time." The son fell down on his knees crying and asking for pardon to God. Moral: Mother's love is a treasure. You need to jewel it, or else it will be worthless to feel for it once it is lost.